How to set up the kit. First, we power on the motion sensor, and we can select the sensitivity by the switches. H is high sensitivity, L is low sensitivity. Okay, we insert the 3 pieces 1.5 voltage alkaline batteries. If the sensor be powered, the indicator light will light for 5 seconds, and the sensor can be activated after about 30 seconds. And then we plug the receiver into the outlet. The kit has been programmed before shipment, so we can wave your hands in front of the sensor eye to activate the sensor. And then we install the back cover by the screws like this. Okay, thank you.